Speculation around DJI's next FPV drone has reached a fever pitch. Across leak forums, social media groups, and FPV-focused communities, two possible names keep surfacing: Avata 3 and the more mysterious Avata 360. The lack of clarity has only added to the excitement, making this one of the most debated DJI FPV releases to date. In this detailed overview, we'll break down the rumored features, expected performance upgrades, possible design changes, pricing expectations, and the most likely release window. We'll also address the big question many pilots are asking: is it worth waiting before buying your next FPV drone? Everything discussed here is based on early leaks, insider reports, community testing chatter, and informed speculation. DJI has not officially confirmed any of this, meaning final specifications could still change. The Avata series earned its reputation by lowering the barrier to FPV flight. When the original Avata launched, it introduced many pilots to FPV through a durable Cinewhoop-style drone that emphasized stability, safety, and ease of use. Unlike traditional FPV builds that require deep technical knowledge, the Avata offered a ready-to-fly experience that appealed to both beginners and experienced creators. The Avata 2 refined this formula with better image quality, improved flight performance, stronger durability, and enhanced controller options. But expectations within the FPV world continue to rise. Today's pilots want higher speeds, better low-light footage, longer battery life, and smarter assistance features. These demands are exactly what's driving the speculation surrounding DJI's next move. The most exciting rumors center on the camera system. Multiple sources suggest DJI may upgrade to a 1-inch image sensor, a substantial improvement over previous Avata models. If true, this would dramatically enhance dynamic range, low-light performance, and HDR video quality. A larger sensor would allow for cleaner shadows, better highlight retention, and more accurate color reproduction, key advantages for cinematic FPV work. Such a move would also position DJI more directly against action camera leaders like GoPro and Insta360. Some leaks even hint at expanded video codecs and higher frame rate options, making the drone more appealing to professional filmmakers who rely on flexible footage for post-production. If DJI follows through on this upgrade, the next Avata could shift from being a fun FPV drone to a serious aerial filmmaking tool. Performance rumors suggest that DJI is pushing the Avata platform further than ever before. Insiders claim the new model could reach speeds approaching 140 km per hour, potentially making it DJI's fastest consumer FPV drone yet. These speed gains would likely be supported by redesigned propellers and improved aerodynamics. Better airflow and refined motor tuning could translate into sharper responsiveness, smoother high-speed turns, and greater stability during aggressive maneuvers. Professional FPV pilots would benefit from improved control during chase sequences, fast fly-throughs, and tight cinematic movements. There's also speculation around reduced vibration, quieter prop noise, and enhanced stability at top speeds, small details that can make a big difference when capturing usable footage. Battery performance has always been a challenge for FPV drones, but leaks suggest DJI may finally be making meaningful progress. Reports point to a battery capacity exceeding 3,000 mAh, with estimated flight times between 25 and 30 minutes under optimal conditions. That would be a significant improvement over most FPV drones, which typically sacrifice flight time for performance. DJI is also rumored to be working on a more efficient power management system and a quicker battery swapping design. Longer flights would benefit filmmakers capturing extended shots and beginners who need more airtime to build confidence. Another major area of focus is video transmission. The next Avata is expected to feature a refined version of DJI's O4 transmission system, or possibly an entirely new protocol. Improvements could include lower latency, increased signal stability, and better performance in obstacle-heavy environments. New goggles are almost guaranteed. Some leaks suggest DJI may introduce an updated headset alongside the drone, offering higher resolution, a wider field of view, or improved head tracking. Whether sold separately or bundled, updated goggles would reinforce DJI's tightly integrated FPV ecosystem. Early design leaks suggest DJI will retain the core Cinewhoop identity, lightweight construction with built-in propeller protection. However, the frame may become more compact and aerodynamic, improving both speed and efficiency. Durability remains a priority, so reinforced ducts, better shock absorption, and improved motor cooling are all likely upgrades. These changes would help extend the drone's lifespan, especially for pilots who push their gear hard. The wildcard here is the Avata 360 rumor. If DJI is developing a true 360-degree FPV drone, the design would need to change significantly. Additional sensors, dual-lens cameras, and unique mounting solutions would alter both the appearance and flight characteristics. Such a drone would open up entirely new creative possibilities, but also raise questions about weight, complexity, and cost. Safety is another area where DJI may innovate. Some leaks suggest the next Avata could feature full 360-degree obstacle sensing, a groundbreaking addition for FPV drones. If implemented effectively, this could dramatically reduce crashes and help new pilots navigate tight spaces with confidence. Other rumored features include smarter return-to-home behavior, improved subject tracking, enhanced motion controls, and AI-assisted flight modes. These upgrades would align with DJI's broader focus on safety and regulatory compliance, especially as drone laws tighten in regions like the US and EU. Despite all the potential upgrades, pricing rumors have remained relatively consistent. Most sources expect DJI to keep the base package within the $800 to $1,000 range, similar to the Avata 2 at launch. Find more combos or advanced kits, including extra batteries, controllers, or new goggles, could land between $1,200 and $1,500. Prices could rise further if DJI includes premium features like a 1-inch sensor or a full 360 degrees camera system. The release schedule has been one of the most confusing aspects of this rumor cycle. Early leaks pointed to a mid-2025 announcement, but that window passed quietly. More recent reports suggest a launch between late 2025 and early 2026, which fits DJI's typical FPV release cadence. The confusion deepened when prototype images surfaced, some resembling a traditional Avata, others looking like a completely different 360-style drone. This has led to speculation that DJI could be developing two separate models, or that the Avata 360 is simply the Avata 3 under a new design philosophy. For now, patience is the smartest move. The volume of leaks and rising excitement strongly suggest DJI is preparing something substantial. Whether it's an upgraded Cinewoop, a hybrid FPV 360 platform, or two distinct products, clarity should arrive soon. Until DJI makes its official announcement, the Avata 3 and the rumored Avata 360 remain among the most anticipated drones in development. One question continues to dominate the discussion: will DJI merge these ideas into one product, or launch each with its own identity? Whatever the answer, one thing is certain: the FPV community will be watching closely.